Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about running PHP code in Windows using XAMPP. In this episode, we are going to learn about PHP variables. So let's start. We already created a PHP file with the name example.php. So we need to write the PHP code. In order to write a variable in PHP, we have to use the dollar symbol. Whenever we use this dollar symbol, it will create a variable there. So I am creating a variable with the name first name. So we created a variable now. Now I am going to store a value inside it. It's my name, Muhsin, and I am closing it. Now I am writing another variable, last name, and writing a value, PC. We created two variables right now. Now we can access the PHP page example.php, localhost, then first project. Then there we can see the example.php page. Click on it, and we can see there's nothing inside the PHP page. So we can go to the page, PHP programming page, then write this code, echo, then the dollar first name variable, then save the page, and then again go to the browser and reload the page. So we can see the value that contained on the first name variable. Okay, go back to the programming page and we can write another variable, echo, then dollar last name. It will echo the PC inside the browser. Reload the page and you can see PC there. We can print variables using the echo. So this is how we create a variable in PHP. If we put the value inside a double inverted comma, it will convert the value inside the variable to a string. And if we remove the double inverted comma and put a number inside it, then it will convert to a number. We can do one thing. We can replace the first variable name with number 1 and the second variable name with number 2 equal to 10. Now we can call the variable number 1 and another variable number 2. Now we can go to the browser by saving it and reload it, so we can see the number there. We can separate the numbers with a page break in HTML code. We need to put them between the two variables. Go to the browser again. We can see them separated with a break. Now we can do a simple mathematics with this PHP variable. We can create one more variable with name total and call the first variable the dollar number 1 and put a plus symbol and call the second variable name dollar number 2 and close it. We can remove all the previous variable and call the dollar total and close it. save it and go to the browser and reload it. There we can see the sum of variable number 1 and variable number 2 in the browser. So guys, it's time to wind up this chapter. I hope you guys enjoyed. On the next chapter, we can learn about PHP function. Thank you for watching the video.